Hi everyone, Rachel here with Country Sparkles. I'm really excited right now because I have finally put out another blog post. My first post of the year, but also my first post in a really long time. I totally went off and just had fun this last pretty much 6 months and haven't done any blogging. It just, got busy and I'm probably the worst blogger, Instagrammer ever. But every once in a while, I really put forth the effort and I'm really excited about this one. So this one is kind of a challenge one. At the beginning of the year, so a week ago, I took down my Christmas stuff and I normally just put up my other normal home decor after that. But this year I was like, my house is so bare, it's really nice, it'd be really easy to clean right now. So normally I wait until spring, like March, April to clean. But around here, that's just when it's starting to warm up and I'm getting ready to plant things outside, or I planted things inside to transfer outside. And I'm planning my outside projects, and when it's super nice out, I want to be outside working. I don't want to be in my house anymore. So I was thinking this year I'm going to do some early spring cleaning, and I'm going to do it in January and February, which is completely different than what I've ever done before, but it'll be easier before all my normal home decorations are up. So what I've done is I've made a checklist and different room assignments kind of thing and broken it down to different sections to make it really easy. And I have made printables for all of us. So this will keep me on track, and I also would love for you to follow along with me. So in addition to my super detailed nitty-gritty list, which is what I have decided to call it, this label is not up there. I just put it on for the movie. But I have made a cleaning the surface basic cleaning list for those of you who might want to clean every single room in your house, but might not want to get super down and dirty and clean every inch of your home. I get it. Some of us have time to do the super down, get in the nooks and crannies, get it all, and some of us just don't have time, or this isn't the season of life for that, and that's okay. I get it. But I am doing my nitty-gritty, and I'm so excited from the checklist that I've made, and there's a little spot next to it. I can mark it off and be like, I'm done. This isn't done for the year for this super intense cleaning process. Obviously, clean throughout the year to maintain, but once a year, it just feels so good to go through everything, to get all the dust from around all the corners, behind the furniture, out of the air vents. It just feels good, and it's just so refreshing to start off the year that way. So I would love for you guys to follow along. I'm going to be posting my progress on Instagram, and I will write my Instagram handle down below in the details, so please follow along with me there. I'd love to see you, and I'd also love to see your progress. I've put a hashtag in my blog post on countrysparkles.com. Go check that out. It's spring cleaning and blog post. That makes sense? I hope that made sense. And so there's a hashtag, and I want you to tell us your progress too. Tag me in it with my Instagram handle and the hashtag, and follow the hashtag, and we can all see each other's progress, give each other's tips and encouragement. I'm really excited about this. I am planning on putting out a blog post every day for the room that day that I decide to tackle, and giving hints or tips and tricks, not hints, tips and tricks of what I like to do to super deep clean that area that are easier and that maybe will help maintain the room or that space throughout the entire year. So check back in every day with that, and I'll post that on Instagram also when I do put up a new blog post. And follow along and say hi to me. Comment, tell me what's going on with you, where you're from, why you feel like you need to clean right now, or if you're not cleaning right now and you're going to clean a couple months, then start cleaning when we're done. That's it. Follow me on Instagram, like I said, and if you'd like to see more videos when I put them out, subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get notified when I put out a new video. And I'm going to try to put videos along with some of my blog posts for our daily cleaning, but that may or may not happen. It all depends on how much time I have in the day and where it all goes. So I'm excited to see you, and I hope you join me. See you later.